Today is your first day on ART. I am Dr. Pujari. We have seen that many patients need help in the beginning of their ART regimen. To help you manage the regimen better, we have created a system called TAMA. This is my counselor. She will show you how TAMA works.
Thank you for enrolling in this project. Tama will remind you to take your medicines on time. It will also give you important information about HIV and ART. If you face any health problems, Tama will give you doctor's advice on your phone. I will tell you a story of 3 people on ART who have been using Tama for a few days now. This is Mr. Ramesh. He is a retired government servant. His wife helps him take his medicines on time every day. This is Minakshi. She is a bank employee and she lives with her 10-year-old son. Her husband died 5 years ago and now she is the only breadwinner in the family. This is Sunil. He is a taxi driver. He is unmarried. He lives with his parents. He has not disclosed his HIV status to anyone in his family. Sunil is on 2 pills a day regimen and he is supposed to take his pill at 9 pm. But he forgot to take his pill on the first day itself. At 5 minutes past 9, Tama calls Sunil. Suddenly, he remembered that he has not taken the pill yet. He immediately took the pill from the ART bottle and answered the phone. A music played. Sunil entered his 4-digit PIN, which is the same as his taxi number 5468. Tama checked that the PIN was correct and said,
Hello, this is Tama calling. It's time for your dose of Duovir from the bottle. If you have taken your current dose, press 1. If you have not taken the current dose yet, but are going to take it later, press 2. If you cannot take the current dose, press 3.
Sunil pressed 1. Tama confirmed,
You have taken your current dose on time. Well done. This dose has been recorded in Tama. To undo this entry, press 9. You may hang up now or hold on to listen to your messages.
So Tama reminds you to take your pills on time. Tama protects your information with the help of a PIN. Without the PIN, no one else can access your information. You can set the PIN of your choice. Choose a PIN that is easy to remember, your vehicle number, digits of your mobile number, or a bank account number, etc. The counselor in your clinic will help you with this. This is Minakshi. She has chosen to take her daily pill at 9:30 pm just after watching her favorite TV serial. She did so on time and immediately called Tama. The music played. Minakshi wanted to choose her house number 213 for her PIN, but a PIN has to be 4 digits long, so she chose 2130 instead. Minakshi is not very good at using phone and she made a mistake while typing. No problem. Tama played the music again. She entered her PIN again. This time, it was correct.
Hello, this is Tama. It's time for your dose of Viraday from the bottle. If you have taken this dose, press 1. If you are not feeling well, or if you have any other health problems, press 2. If you want to listen to your messages, press 3.
Minakshi pressed 1.
You have taken your current dose on time. Well done. This dose has been recorded in Tama. To undo this entry,
So, you don't have to wait for Tama to call you. You can call Tama as soon as you have taken your pill. In fact, don't wait for Tama to call you. It is better to develop a habit of taking your pills on time and call Tama immediately. All calls in Tama are recorded. This helps us monitor your health in the clinic. Remember, all calls made to Tama are free. If you forget, of course, Tama will call you 5 minutes after your pill time. The pill time of Mr. Ramesh is 9 pm. On the first day at 9 pm, he had gone for a walk after dinner. Tama called him at 5 minutes past 9 and Mr. Ramesh remembered that he had not taken his pill. Mr. Ramesh disconnected the call. He reached home by 9:15 p.m. and took his pill. Tama called him again at 9:35 p.m. for his second reminder. Music played. Mr. Ramesh entered his PIN 1949. He had chosen his year of birth for this PIN.
Hello, this is Tama calling. It's time for your dose of Duovir from the bottle. If you have taken your current dose, press 1. If you have not taken, this dose has been recorded in Tama. To undo this entry, press 9.
You need not wait to hear all the options. As soon as you hear the option that you want, you can press that number. One day, Sunil got late for his work. He was taking a bath when Tama called. Sunil's mother picked up the phone as she thought it might be a call from his customer. When she picked up the phone, she only heard music. She realized it was not a customer's call and disconnected the phone. Sunil returned from the bath and asked, "Whose call was it?" "It was not your customer's call. Only some music was playing." "What call was that?" Sunil remembered that it was Tama. But he had not yet disclosed his HIV status to his parents. So he said, "I don't know. It might be some advertisement." Sunil was relieved. He felt happy that Tama is protected with a PIN. He took his pill, then called up Tama, entered his PIN and reported that he has taken his dose. After this incident, he started calling Tama after taking his pill. So, it is safe to use Tama even if your family or friends do not know your HIV status. It is better if you call Tama rather than wait for Tama's call. One day, Meenakshi had to go out of town for a wedding of a relative. She forgot to carry her pills with her. At 35 minutes past 9, her phone rang. Only then she realized that she would miss her dose tonight. Tama asked,
If you have not taken the current dose yet, but are going to take it later, press 2. If you cannot take the current dose, press 3.
Meenakshi pressed 3. Tama asked,
Why did you miss this dose? If you missed it because you are not feeling well, press 1. If you missed it because you do not have your pills with you, press 2. For any other reason, press 3.
Meenakshi pressed 2. Tama responded,
Henceforth, please carry extra pills in a small box with you. At any time, you should carry enough pills for at least 2 days. You should also carry your prescription with you. You might have to buy extra pills.
Meenakshi realized that she had the prescription in her purse. She went to a local chemist shop and purchased her pills and took them. So Tama not only reminds you at your pill time, but also tells you what to do in case you miss your pills. Sometimes, some patients experience side effects because of ART. Often, these go off on their own. But sometimes, you may need additional medication. If you're not feeling well, call Tama. Tama will give you the doctor's advice instantly. One morning, after starting ART, Mr. Ramesh noticed that he had developed a rash. He called Tama and entered his PIN number. Tama said,
Your next dose is today, 9 p.m. If you are not feeling well, or if you have any other health problems, press 2. If you want to listen to your messages, press 3.
Mr. Ramesh pressed 2.
Don't worry, your body is getting accustomed to the new medicines. In this condition, you might experience some problems. Please choose your problems from the following list. We will then give you the doctor's advice. Do you have nausea? Or have you been vomiting? If you have nausea, or if you have been vomiting, press 1. Else, press 3.
Mr. Ramesh did not have nausea or vomiting, so he pressed 3.
You said you do not have nausea, nor have you been vomiting. Do you have a fever? If you have a fever, press 1. Else, press 3.
To say no, Mr. Ramesh pressed 3.
Do you have a rash? If you have a rash, press 1. Else, press 3.
To say yes, Mr. Ramesh pressed 1.
You said you have a rash. Is the rash all over your body? Or is it local? That is, only in a few places. If your rash is all over your body, press 1. If it is local, press 3.
Mr. Ramesh had a rash only on few places, so he pressed 3.
You said that your rash is local.
Dr. XYZ came online and gave this advice.
For the local rash, take 1 tablet of levocetrizine once a night for 3 days. I repeat, levocetrizine once a night for 3 days. You can buy this tablet from any medical shop. Don't worry. Continue taking your ART medication from the bottle.
Tama also sent Mr. Ramesh an SMS with the name of the tablet and instructions. Mr. Ramesh bought the prescribed medicine from the local shop. His rash subsided in 3 days. He was happy that he did not have to spend a whole day and a lot of money traveling to the clinic. With Tama, he got the doctor's advice in time and at home. So Tama tries to give you the doctor's advice for many simple symptoms. This advice has been carefully provided by the doctors based on their long experience. Sometimes, a symptom may not need medication. The advice may be just an assurance that things are fine. For example, Meenakshi had slight tingling numbness and pain in her feet. When Meenakshi called Tama, Tama asked,
Do you have tingling sensation or numbness in your hands or feet? Or pain in your feet but not in the rest of your legs? If you have these problems, press 1. Else, press 3.
Meenakshi heard the question twice before answering.
Do you have tingling sensation or numbness in your hands or feet? Or pain in your feet but not in the rest of your legs? If you have these problems, press 1. Else, press 3.
Meenakshi was sure that the pain was only in her feet and not in the rest of her legs. She pressed 1. Dr. XYZ came online and said,
Discuss your problem of tingling or numbness or pain in your feet with the doctor on your next visit to the HIV clinic. Don't worry. Continue taking your ART medication from the bottle.
Often, Tama will ask you about more than one symptom. The advice that Tama gives is based on your inputs. Make sure that you clearly understand the symptom. Listen to the questions carefully. If you do not understand, just wait. The question will repeat. Listen carefully and make your choices. Only if you make the correct choices, Tama will give you the correct advice from the doctor. Sometimes problems need urgent medical attention and Tama cannot resolve them on phone. In such cases, Tama alerts you and asks you to meet the doctor. For example, once Sunil was having a pain in his legs. He called Tama. After asking Sunil a few questions, Tama asked,
Do you feel breathless? Or do you have pain in your legs? If you have these problems, press 1. Else, press 3.
Sunil pressed 1 because he had a pain in the legs. Tama decided that this was a serious problem in Sunil's case. Tama gave the following advice from the doctor.
Please stop taking your ART medication from the bottle immediately. Meet the doctor in your HIV clinic urgently, if possible in an hour or 2. Do not eat anything until you do so.
Tama connected to the doctor and the doctor advised him about further treatment. So Tama can help you get the doctor's advice. If you have any problems, call Tama. Remember, not everyone faces the symptom after starting ART. Also, the same symptom may need different advice for different people. From time to time, Tama gives you advice and tips for a long and healthy life. One day, Mr. Ramesh got a great advice about how he can overcome the problem of forgetfulness and take his pills every day.
Sometimes I cannot remember if I have taken the current dose. What should I do?
Don't worry. Several people face this problem. To solve it, some people use a 7-day pill box.
It has a small slot for each dose for each day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, and so on. If the slot for today is empty, it means you have taken the dose. Every Sunday, transfer your ART pills for the week from the bottle into this pill box.
You can buy a 7-day pill box from a medical store. It costs between 100 to 150 rupees. Be adherent. Buy a 7-day pill box today.